My name is Precious Popola. Okay, my goal was to become a data marketer because I've actually taken a series of courses online whereby I'm very good with theory. But I got jobs for data marketing jobs, but I can't apply because I don't have the practical experience. So then I searched about the best tech school in Ibadan. So I enrolled to learn the practical aspect of digital marketing. So I got AppClick ICT Academy. Digital marketing. Okay, my experience here in AppClick has been wonderful because I have the best instructor, Mr. Ola. He's very friendly and very exceptional. In terms of learning, he's very practical enough, and that was actually what I've been looking for because I want 100% practical, and I've actually gotten that in AppClick. AppClick staffs, they are professional and they are very, very good. When it comes to knowledge, they are good, they are very sound, and they are also friendly. The environment is also conducive. There's also accommodation for people that know living around. Okay, my experience with my co-students, they have really been good. Everyone is having that good that mindset of they want to learn, they want to have that knowledge of what data marketing means, and everybody is so hardworking, and we have been working together, and we have series of projects that we've done together also. I and my colleagues, like, we worked on a project on content creators, a group of content creators whereby business owners can hire content creators for their business to market and also advertise their products. We also worked on SEO, how you can rank your website, also email marketing, then content too as well, whereby we can create a good content for business owner, a eye-catching content as well. I'm actually working on email marketing. I'm trying to create an idea of sending emails to like individuals, business owners, just to like improve their business. And also my future endeavors, because I really want to go deep into email marketing and SEO, because digital marketing is like broad. So where we have content, social media, SEO and all, but I really want to like go deep into SEO, that's search engine optimization. So AppClick has actually given me the experience to like go deep into these courses, and not just knowing the theory parts, and to also create ideas on new things that we can actually do, because there are a lot of ideas now, but one thing that can make you exceptional is thinking, having a new idea of creating a new thing that someone else have not done. So that's what can actually make you exceptional in this tech world. The staff, the instructors, like if you are learning here, your mind will be at rest, because you know, even if you have issues with learning, you can go back to meet your instructor, you have access to them, and also at the end of the course you'll be given access to internship, whereby it can enhance your skill to know more, moving from a novice to an intermediate. Yes, I will. If you want to start your career in tech and become a pro, then AppClick ICT Academy is the best place for you to learn.